नमस्कार. आजचा दिवस माझ्यासाठी खूप खास आहे आणि खरं सांगायचं तर थोडा भावनिकही. तुमच्यापैकी बऱ्याच जणांना अर्कशुद्ध हा एक ब्रँड म्हणून माहिती आहे. टुडे आय वॉन्ट यू टू नो द पर्सन बिहाइंड अर्कशुद्ध. हॅलो, myself Mihavi Lalwani. I am the founder of Arkashuddha. For a long time, Arkashuddha had a face, but not my face, and that was intentional because the brand was never about me. It is about purity, honesty, and doing the right thing, even if no one is watching. अर्कशुद्ध हा माझ्यासाठी कधीच व्यवसाय नव्हता. It is like my second child, to whom I have nurtured with care, protected it, worried about it at night, and celebrated every small win like a proud parent. From choosing a